Hello everyone, this is Giorgio from the group Oasis Lab, and I'm here to introduce you our project. Starting with the agricultural section, the protagonist of our project is the aeroponic towers. In fact, a total of 200 aeroponic towers will be installed in the main square, arranged into 4 rows of 50 towers each. Each tower will be 1.6 meters tall and will be divided into 9 layers, allowing multiple plants to grow simultaneously. The towers will be placed inside a greenhouse that will protect them from weather conditions and will ensure safety. In addition, part of the main square will include raised beds with flowers and aromatic plants, creating a green and pleasant space for visitors. An efficient drip irrigation will be used throughout the system, saving water and preventing overwatering. And finally, the 3 walls of the buildings that face on the main square will feature green walls that will add an environmental and an aesthetic value to the project and to the area.
Our project consists in a set of sustainable strategies that aims to turn the neighborhood in a more livable, greener and cooler environment. Thanks to the introduction of rooftop meadows and green walls that are structured very helpful for many different aspects. The first one is their cooling effect because they can reduce the absorption of heat of the buildings and also reduce the heat island effect that characterize most of the cities in Europe. Another important aspect is their ecological role because this structure can attract many different pollinators and animals, and that is a very important fact because cities nowadays are very poor in biodiversity. Talking about the resources efficiency of the system, we want to implement a rainwater collection system to collect the water and use it for the green area of the project.
To take care of the economic part of the neighborhood, our project aims to generate profit from two main sources: a small shop and guided tours. As we know that the neighborhood of Saint Cosme has no direct access to fresh food suppliers, so we propose to dedicate a small shop in the corner of the area of interest. That will be a very strategic location because of its accessibility, and we will be selling the fresh vegetables from our own urban farm. To diversify the products, we may also be selling other general commodities like honey, dairy, or dry fruits. Along with this, paid guided tours can be organized for tourists as well as schools or individual person groups by charging a minimal fee, let's say €5 each person. And the income from both the sources, the shop and the guided tours, can be used to pay the salary of the workers involved and also for the maintenance of the area. Thank you.
Now that we have covered the agricultural, the environmental, and the economic aspect, let's take care of the social aspect. One of the key activities of our project will be the organization of guided tours of the urban farm. The purpose of this activity is to raise the awareness of people, especially younger generations, about innovative technologies and modern agriculture. Local residents will be trained to lead the tours, helping to strengthen community involvement. Meanwhile, a sum of experts will monitor the project to ensure a proper organization.